I lived in the Fremont and Nevada factories for 3 years, fixing that production line, running around like a maniac through every part of that factory, living with the team.
Yeah.
I slept on the floor so that the team who was going through a hard time could see me on the floor, that they knew that I was not in some ivory tower. Whatever pain they experienced, I had it more.
And some people who knew you well actually thought you were making a terrible mistake, that you were driving yourself to the edge of sanity almost, and that you were in danger of making bad choices. And in fact, I heard you say last week, Elon, that you, because of Tesla's huge value now and you know the significance of every minute that you spend, that you are in danger of sort of obsessing over it, spending all this time to the point of, to the edge of sanity.